There is no doubt about Google's Pixel brand camera features, but we will see the same display again in the upcoming smartphone series Pixel 7. Previously this month, Google announced the Pixel 6a and brand new Pixel earbuds at Google I/O. It also unveiled the Pixel tablet powered by Android, but it will launch next year. Google is seen as creating a Pixel series advance from before because, as said in Google I/O, the Pixel 6 was the most successful Pixel smartphone ever, and it's getting the next version, the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. According to a report from 9to5 Google, the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro smartphone, yet with unknown specification, might feature the same display as the Pixel 6 but with some tweaks. While this is not a confirmation from some prominent leaker holder, as 9to5Mac said, they have discovered it from the Android open source project, which mentions which display are being used on the Pixel 7 series. While the Pixel 7 codename is Cheetah and Panther, codename for Pixel 7 Pro, with two new display drivers, the C10 and the Pro with P10. And it seemed matchable because Google Pixel 6 was the biggest hit and it was evolutionary with curved edge like Samsung displays, and it presented the support of 90Hz up to 120Hz. In conclusion, the Pixel 7 display is expected to inherit a 1080x2400 pixel screen with a support of up to a 90Hz refresh rate, which is exactness of the Pixel 6. Its size is unclear, while the Pixel 6 has a 6.4-inch panel. And with the reflection of Pixel 6 Pro display, the Pixel 7 Pro would process a 1440x3120 pixel screen with the highest refresh rate of 120Hz, and its unclear panel size might be 6.71 inch. For right now, the other specs are still a mystery, but sooner they will also get leaked, so stay in touch with our reports. So that's all for today. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends. Go check out the description box below to get this awesome gadget, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more latest cool reviews.